Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use webhooks in N8n. Webhooks are incredibly powerful tools that allow different applications to communicate with each other in real time, making your workflows more dynamic and automated. To get started, open your browser and navigate to n8n.io. Once you're on the home page, you'll need to enter your login credentials. After signing in, you'll be directed straight to your N8n dashboard. This is your central hub where all your workflows live and where you can manage your automations. Look towards the top right corner of your screen and you'll see a button labeled Create Workflow. Go ahead and click on it to begin setting up your new workflow. After clicking that button, you'll be taken to the N8n Workflow Editor. This is where the magic happens. You'll notice that the editor presents you with two distinct options for creating your workflow. The first option is to build manually, which gives you complete control over each step and action. The second option is to build with AI, which can help automate some of the setup process. For our purposes today, we'll be working with the manual option since we want to understand exactly how webhooks function within N8n. Now, to use webhooks in your N8n workflow, locate the Add First Step button on your editor screen and click on it. When you do this, a right side panel will slide open, displaying a list of different actions and triggers you can choose from. These are the building blocks of your workflow. From this list, find and click on Webhook Call. This is the trigger that will listen for incoming webhook requests and start your workflow whenever one is received. Once you've selected On Webhook Call, a webhook parameters window will appear on your screen. Don't worry, the process from here is pretty straightforward and user-friendly. You'll see a section labeled Test URL. Click on this URL to copy it to your clipboard. This URL is crucial because it's the endpoint that sends out the trigger whenever a webhook is initiated from an external source. Think of it as the doorway through which other applications can communicate with your N8n workflow. Now it's time to test that everything is working correctly. Click on the button that says Listen for Test Event. This puts N8n into a listening mode where it's actively waiting to receive a webhook call. To simulate this, open a new browser tab and paste the URL you just copied into the address bar. Hit Enter and you should see a message confirming that the workflow was started. This means your webhook is functioning properly. Switch back to your N8n editor and look at the right side panel. You'll see several logs appear that detail the webhook's action, including information about the request that was received. These logs are incredibly helpful for debugging and understanding exactly what data is being passed through your webhook. And there you have it. You've successfully set up and tested a webhook in N8n, opening up endless possibilities for integrating external applications into your automated workflows. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.